So in this video, we are going to see how to download the JDK. Of any version you can download, but I am going to download the version 26 at the moment. The process is going to same for any JDK that you download on the Windows. So currently I'm choosing the JDK 16 version. So what you have to do is first open any browser that you prefer to download. Currently I'm using a Chrome browser to download. So what you have to type here is like download JDK of any version you want to download. For example, if you want to download the Java 18, then write here the 18 or 1.8 version or any of the version that you want to download. So currently I am writing the JDK 26, and here you will find the multiple option to download any of the website, but I'm preferring to download from the Oracle websites. So you have to click on the Java download link here, and you will see this kind of page. Click on the Windows tab, and here you will find the three options. So uh, the first option is compress archive. In this version you will get a archive folder. You will have to extract it, then you have to do multiple steps in this. So currently I am going to download this exe version, uh, x64 installer. So you have to click on this link, and the download will be start automatically. So here you can see it has started. For sake of the video, I have downloaded already, so I am canceling it and going back to the versions where I have already downloaded. So what you have to do is click on this exe file and just wait for a moment. Okay, so here a pop-up appear and asking for the changes. So you have to click yes here. Okay, let's wait. So it depends on your system processor, how fast it is and how it is going to appear. On your system it might be a little bit late or comes too early as compared to my system. So don't worry, just wait for a while, it appears. So here you can say installation process for the Java SE development kit 26. So you have to click here the next. So the process is going to be very simple. Only thing you have to do is click on next, but I would prefer you as a developer just read every line what is written here, so that you can understand what is happening here, so that if any of the issue arises, then you can solve it very easily. So it is asking for it has given the default location, which is comes under the program files Java JDK 26. If you want to change, you can change it by clicking here and select any other folder that you want where it should be installed, but I am okay with the default location. So going back and just click on the next. Yep, so it almost installed. So if you want to go through the documentation of the Java development, so you can click on the next steps. It will take you to the website where you this documentation is available, but I don't want to go and clicking close. Let's see JDK the Java is installed or not. First what you have to do is open the command prompt So I'm checking if the JDK has installed or set the environment variable by its own or not. So previously I had Java 1.7 version, and currently we had installed Java 26. To check this, the version that is currently on the system, we click on Java hyphen v is not working, so you have to type Java hyphen version and click on here. So here we can see the Java hasn't set the environment variable to 26. It is taking the previous version, so we have to do one more step here. So first, what I would like to do is close this command prompt, and you have to go to the search bar and search here environment variables, or edit the system environment variables, something like this option you will get. So you have to click here, and let me zoom a little bit if I can. So it is not happening, so I will do edit. So here you will get option like environment variable. So environment variables, you have to go and search for the system variables, this one, and search for path. Here you can see the path, and click on this, double click on this file, then you will find this set of options. So what you have to do is first you have to go to the location where the JDK has installed. So my JDK has installed on local disk C, program files, and it was in Java. And here you can see the set of the JDK that I had installed previously, but you had to check which one you had downloaded. So currently we had downloaded JDK 2601, so you have to open it and click on the bin and go on the search bar and copy it and go back to the environment variable that we have to open, and here you have to click on new button. So click on new and paste the path that you have copied and click on OK. So one more thing that you have to do is in my case I had a multiple JDK installed. So to show it works properly, so we have to move it up on the top of the every JDK that I had. In case you have only one JDK, it is okay, you don't need to do that. So currently our JDK 26 is on the top, and click on OK, OK, and OK. So again, let's check if it is activated JDK 26 or not. Again, you have to type the Java hyphen version to check. So here we go, we have a Java 26 version installed, and we kindly hit like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much.